Hello. If you're watching this video, you've decided to become a writer for Mayhem News. My name is Russell Armstrong, or most people call me Teamy of Lives on Twitter. Um, it's pretty simple. The best way and fastest way, and it's also the simplest, is to go to my webpage. You'll notice the bottom of the screen has my webpage address. Basically, go to that link. To the right of the page, you'll see a thing that says register. Click on that. You pretty much follow the instructions. What it's basically going to do is you're going to set up your own blog, which will be registered on my page. And then all I have to do is use the email you used or you sent me by a DM or email and put you on there as a writer. I pretty much don't have much rules. You pretty much write what you want, say what you want. Not too vulgar. Most people aren't though, so I don't have to really worry about that. Um, so what'll happen is you'll get once you get on, you'll go to the web page. You can log in through the web page, or if you have an Android phone, I think they have one for iPhone as well. WordPress has a wonderful app. Basically, you set up a self-hosted blog. It's the last thing that the last option that you have. You put mayhemnews.com, or you can put the whole thing, http / semicolon www.mayhemnews.com. And basically what'll happen is you enter your whatever you set up your blog or your register name and your password, and then you can just post from your phone if you don't have a computer, or if you like to post on the go. That's what I do. I can actually show you what it looks like. Basically, this is my Android phone, by the way. Basically, what you would do is when you bring up the blog, now this will be after you've registered with Mayhem News. It'll look like this right here. Not sure how good you can see. It's kind of shiny. And then you can post, do pretty much anything you want. You can also add pictures. It is easier to add your pictures. That way you don't have to load one every time. If you just load it into the media library on the web page, this will allow you to post that picture every time. There's also something called a gravatar that you can fill out. Basically what it is it's a picture similar to your avatar on Twitter. You fill it out, you do all the things that it says, it registers an image to your email, so you can actually post that picture with when you put a post up. That way it's something that everybody recognizes you. Everybody recognize you by that picture. If you have any questions about that, I can actually talk to you on the phone. At the end of this video, my phone number will be listed. You can call me. I do have Skype as well, so if that's a better option. Some people don't like their phones given out. I understand that. You can write on anything. You don't just have to write on whatever you started. What you do is you basically go under categories, type in what you want to call your article or your series. Some people, do the same thing every time. Hit add, and then every time you post a thing, all you have to do is put, hey, this is my category, and everybody will know that's you. It also list under that category everything you wrote on the front of the page. So if you've got a fan out there that wants to read what you're writing, they can go there and just click on that. They don't have to go through all the other stuff. Also, as you finished writing your page, your article, go to the first paragraph right after that. It's something called a more tag. Okay, it looks like two little boxes. It's got a slit in it, a divider in it, and it's up on the top of the web page, right above where you're typing. It's in some of the. What it does is it adds a thing at the bottom. If you have a problem with it, I can send you some pictures and show you what it looks like. It basically adds a thing after the first paragraph. It'll say, do you want to continue reading more of this article? and it keeps the web page short, because a lot of people, if they have to scroll down a lot, they're going to move on. They're not going to read anymore. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. I enjoyed it. If you know anybody else that wants to write, we are hiring. Well, I say hiring. You don't get paid nothing. You get my appreciation. How's that? After you finish what you're writing, right up under the thing, you'll see a short link. If you'll just DM me that short link and the name of what you're writing, I'll tweet it from my account as well as the Mayhem News account. All right. We're glad you're on board, and good luck. Okay, as you can see, this is my webpage, Mayhem News. Now, the best way to sign up is take your mouse and scroll down. You'll notice right here it says, of course, I'm logged out. I'm logged in, so I'm going to log out. Then it's going to go back to the thing. Now, you can see that it says register. You're going to click on the register key, and then it's going to pop up, and you're going to write the name of what you want to be called, or what you want it doesn't really matter. You can name it Joe Blow. It doesn't matter. Just whatever you want to name it. Usually people go by if they're on Twitter, they go by their Twitter name. You create a username, password, you confirm it, and make sure you enter the same email address that you sent me. I got some other things, just always go with the free one. Never go with the free, because this one over here, I'm already paying for it, so don't worry about it. So you go down here and you're going to hit I agree. And then once you click it up, it's pretty much simple. You just send me a DM that says, hey, I've registered now and we're good to go. And I will add you and you can get started. Now, the best way to get started, I'm going to go back to the page now. You can see that the avatar, here's what a gravatar looks like. Hold on just a second, we'll get down here. This is what a gravatar looks like. This is a picture that registers you, and it kind of represents you on the site. It's pretty easy to set up. If you don't set one up, it kind of looks like this right here. See how hers, well, hold on just a second. If you don't set one up, this is what it looks like. It kind of gives a weird picture. It doesn't really, you know what I mean? It's best if you have one. If you don't have a banner like I do here, let me know. I can create you one. It's not a big deal. The best way for you to post is you're going to log in. Alright. I'm going to log in real quick here. Alright, you can do a quick press, or you can just go to the post and say add. I usually go there because there's more options. See how it's going to come up? And you're going to add new, and then you're going to come up with a title. The best thing to do down here at the bottom, is you'll see the category key is to name it and actually create a new category. That way every time you do something, you can just click on the top, like I'll click on this one, and then that's what it puts it under. Alright, and then you type out your thing. When you get done, if you look right here, there's a tag right here by the ABC. That's called a more tag. That's what you put after the first, like I mentioned earlier. This is what you put after the your first paragraph. It just kind of makes it shorter, and if people wants to read on, they can click it. And that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, the video at the end will give you my number or my Twitter account. You just send me a message or call me, and thank you.